Hey guys, I have a super valuable video, and this is probably gonna help a lot of those who want to master Facebook ads, e-commerce, and they just want to sell a product and they have no idea why they can't sell that product. So what I'm going to teach you is the difference between showing people what they want versus giving to people what they want. So most people give to people what they want, meaning you have a waterproof makeup eyeliner and you're targeting people like Kylie Jenner, you're targeting makeup, you're targeting beauty, and you're basically doing what everyone does. Here's a makeup eyeliner. People who are into makeup probably want it, so I'm going to target people into makeup. But you forget that literally 99% of people that are marketing this same product is doing the exact same thing. So your CPMs are going to be insanely high and your cost per purchase is going to be insanely high just due to competition, and as a result you're going to be highly unprofitable. What I'm going to show you guys today is a hidden secret that's going to up your marketing to the next level, and this is something not many people do and I've seen no one teach online at all. You want to show people what they want. Basically, when the aux cord got removed from the iPhone, every single person got devastated. But as time went on, we adjusted. When the home button got removed from the iPhone X, everyone got devastated, but then we adjusted. These are not the things that people wanted, but Apple told people that this is what they want, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. So let's say we have the same product, the waterproof makeup eyeliner. What you should do is actually target people like yoga, swimming instructor, accountants. And you might be wondering, like, why would you target like a yoga person and why would you target an accountant? Like, that's completely off. You want to be targeting people into beauty, Kylie Jenner, and makeup. But by doing this, you're able to not only do something that no one else is doing, but speak to these people directly in a way that person A is unable to do. So person B, their ad copy would be like, for example, if you're targeting yoga, hey, do you do yoga? So you're speaking directly to the person, it's gonna have a higher chance of converting since the person's like, wow, this ad speaks to me. And you're gonna say, hey, do you do yoga? Do you hate eyeliner dripping from your eyes? Do you hate eyeliner dripping from your sweat? That's relatable. Like a yoga person's like, that happens. As a yoga person, I'm sweating, my eyeliner is dripping, and I hate that. And here's an ad telling me that there's a solution, this waterproof makeup eyeliner. See how that would convert much higher, as well as see how no one is doing that, so your competition is going to be drastically less, and so would your CPMs and cost per purchases. This is going to be way more profitable, and it makes sense. This is what the top companies like Apple is doing. The next example, swimming instructor. Hey, do you swim? Do you want to look glamorous in the pool? So people who are swimmers, this speaks directly to them. So you want an ad copy that speaks directly to the person you're targeting, rather than something that's general that just targets people in beauty. People who like beauty things are going to see tons of products, tons of makeup eyeliner, and what makes your product stand out? Nothing. So you're going to have to target people that are yoga people, people that are swimming instructor. I'm going to show you guys an even more extreme example just to really solidify this skill into you guys. Imagine targeting accountants. In your mind, you'll be like, what does accountants have to do with eyeliner? There's nothing. There's no relationship. Like, if I'm selling an eyeliner product, I'm not going to be targeting accountant. But if you do your targeting, if you do your message and ad copy correctly, it can work. So here's my ad copy. Obviously, this is a bit emphasized, and I'm really curious if this would work. But accountants, are you a sad accountant? Don't let your tears destroy your eyeliner. See, one, you're saying, are you a sad accountant? You're targeting people who are accountants. They're going to read it. They're going to go, yes, this ad is speaking directly to me. I'm going to continue reading. So you're going to have a much more solid impression on all the people you're targeting. And then they're going to read, don't let your tears destroy your eyeliner. Say, obviously accountants don't really cry, but that's an extreme example. But if you had an example that really resonated with your targeted audience, they're going to go ahead and purchase your item. And that's the video. Don't give people what they want. Show people what they want. If you need help with Facebook marketing, sign up for my mentorship application, linked in the description below. I'm working one-on-one with students that want to up their advertising game. Other than that, if you guys like the video, drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.